wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout, and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it...
Oh, hey, there you are. Today's a little bit different video. Today is a give back day. I love reading comments, and Ron's Garage 502 wrote a few weeks ago. He said, hey, I love the LED light setup on the Target. In a future video, could you please explain how to set it up with the LED light on your Target? And I think it was a great video. So you know what, Ron, for you, this video is all about that, just for you. Today, I want to talk about the LED light setup that we have on our Targets, and it's called the Flashbang. It is made by Caldwell, and they say that it has a 1 mile visibility, which I have no idea. I have not taken it that far. And it says the batteries last a long time. I will say they do. It takes 3 AA batteries, which are included, and it says it lasts for over 30,000 impacts. I don't know if I've shot it that many times. I doubt it, but man, we're pushing it, and she's still blinking. I have not shot this thing yet, surprisingly, and it does hook on with a hook and loop fastener, kind of like a 3M Velcro, which I'll show you on the Target itself in just a minute. But when you get the box, this is what it looks like. It costs about $25 to $35, depending on where you get it from. I'm gonna put a link below for Amazon. I think I saw it the other day for $29.99, and I wanna say during Black Friday, they even had it on sale. So maybe you can pick it up cheaper than I did. But it has been great for the range. We normally would just listen for the audio ting. But since we got some new steel, this guy right here, this is a 1/2 inch 30 by 30. And that 1/2 inch steel is not as audible as some of the 1/4 inch steel, especially way back there when our bullet is slowing down, makes more like a boom than a think. And so, you know what I'm saying if you shoot distance. So I think these would be perfect for the rifleman or the pistolero, you know, out there wanting to sling some bullets down range with some distance. And so definitely you see this light blink several seconds in advance of hearing the sound travel. Light definitely does travel faster than sound. And so, but when you get your box and you open it up, this is what you have inside. You have a little puck, little hockey puck. And I want to say it has 12 to 15 LED lights on it. And it has the male hook style 3M here. In the box, it does come with 2 pads of Velcro, and they're 3M or something because they're pretty sticky. I just stuck it to the back of my Target here. I definitely missed the middle of it. I was just taping it on quick. I got excited, I got the light. And so maybe you'll be more cautious and put it in the middle. But all you basically wanted to do is where it mounts is just have that strip of lights that stick up right above. So that way you don't shoot it. It does claim on there that it can take a shot. So when we get ready to shoot with it, we just stick it just like this, and it stays nice and tight. We've hit it right below it. We've hit all around it. Of course, we're shooting the other side of the Target, and it has not come loose. Matter of fact, the first time I stuck it on there, it took 2 of us to get it off. It was so welded on that thing. But over time, this Velcro kind of loosens up, and it does stay outside in the weather. It's been out for, oh man, several months. So that Velcro is holding up pretty good, and I have it on several other Targets. I just moved this guy around to whatever we're going to shoot from distance so we can see it. But I've been pretty impressed with it. Let me put this on. And the on and off switch is on the back side of it, so you can mount it and then flip your Target around, still turn it on and off. But let me show you what it looks like here. It should probably go off as I'm moving this around. But see, it just deals with contact. So as soon as something shoots it, and it's not pretty, I mean, it's got to make good contact with it. The wind's not going to make it go. So, I mean, that you can see, I mean, see, it's not going off now. So, but it works great. I haven't shot it yet from distance where it hasn't gone off. At least I don't think anyway. But we get excited when we see it go off. I know that. You'll definitely see that light long before you actually hear the ting. So that's pretty exciting too, because you send that round down range and or through your rifle, and you'll see that blink happening, 2 or 3 flashes, and all of a sudden you'll hear bink, depending on your distance back there. So any of you rifle shooters or long distance pistol shooters that are out there like myself, man, get you one of these lights. They're actually pretty handy. I don't know at what distance we won't be able to hear our steel, I know we do have some 1/2 inch steel that it's not as audible as some of this 1/4 inch is. So it's definitely helpful when it comes to that. Hey, real quick, thank you to my wife for sponsoring this channel and buying all my ammo. My wife runs the cash, man. I just make some money, I give it to her. She tells what I can spend, so without her, we wouldn't have this channel. So thank you to my sponsor. I also had a few people ask me about our steel. We shoot AR 500. This is 1/4 inch steel. We do have some 1/2 inch steel out here also, and we hang it from T-post hangers. They look like little elephant trunks, but they're easy to hand make if you have a welding machine. You just make you a hook with a little rod sticking out, and then you weld 2 pieces on either side of it with cuts in them, and so you have 4-way cuts like this, and it slips right over the top of a T-post and into this hole that I have in the middle, and it holds that target. It'll hold it at angles, it'll hold it straight up and down, but we like it because it'll allow that target to swing backwards with the momentum of the bullet and help send any reflection of the particles that are going to come off of that bullet down into the ground versus back at us. And we're kind of mindful too not to shoot our steel with anything other than what it's rated for, so we don't get big dents in there and send anything back our way too. If you're wondering what I'm talking about the pitting from different calibers when you shoot either lighter grade steel or steel that's not adequate for the rounds you're sending, these are 223 rounds in this popper, and you can see it has made a nice little indentation, and when bullets hit this, it doesn't always necessarily mean it's going to go in the direction you want it to. As they fragment off, they may come back and come right back at you. So this is designed to push over with a big enough force, shotgun or different things like that, but definitely that steel has seen better days, and so that's why we try and shoot the right caliber to the right steel. Right here we have several different styles of targets. That's our long range target right there, that square. It's a 30 by 30, and we have our dueling tree and some more little ones here on the side. So I highly encourage you to look at this. I'll put a link in Amazon if you're in the market for just some type of shot indicator using a rifle, a pistol, slingshot. Just want to walk around and blind your family with it in the house. Whatever, this thing is pretty great. I will say that when it does go off on you, when you put the batteries off for the first time, just be ready, because it will shock you. So, I mean, I've enjoyed it. We've all enjoyed it out here on the range, and we think it's a crucial part of what we have going on. And so, as you can see, I mean, the light is pretty incredible there. So it'll show up. It'll definitely let you know you hit the target, whether it was where you were supposed to hit it or not. Hey guys, hey, thank y'all very much for watching the video. I hope you and your family have a Merry Christmas and a safe New Year, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching.